Are you good at keeping secrets? Well, your Kia vehicle is when you add the accessory cargo cover. It lets you keep your personal items out of sight, and it retracts for easy access. Available from the parts department at your local Kia dealership, the cargo cover helps keep your cargo items away from praying eyes. It is easy to install. Start by folding the third row seats. To do that, pull the strap on the back of the seat back and headrests, and the seat backs fold forward. Slip the third row seat belts into the retaining clips on the side of the vehicle to keep them from rattling. Now, take the cargo cover and insert one side into the appropriate opening. On the other side, compress the end of the cargo cover slightly and it will fit into the other opening. Then, pull the cargo cover open and place the ends in the slots. It's that easy. The beauty is that the cargo cover can be stowed under the rear cargo floor when it's not in use. Here's how. Push in the cargo cover and remove it. Then remove the luggage box cover and set it aside. And on the left side, remove this cover and lower the slide to expose the cargo cover slot. Then insert the cargo cover on the right side first. Compress the end to slide it in on the left-hand side. Replace the cover. Then close the luggage box cover. That's it. The Kia Telluride is an exceptional vehicle for carrying everything, from kids to cargo. And with the accessory cargo cover, you can keep your personal items private. For additional information, visit your local Kia dealership. Thanks for watching.